Children, in the previous session of the lesson Our India Physical Diversity, you have understood about major landforms of the earth and their definitions. You have also learned the 5 physical divisions of our country, India. Today, let us discuss about the northern mountains, their extension, ranges of northern mountains, major rivers which originate in the northern mountain region, wildlife, hill stations, and famous pilgrimage centers situated in Himalayas. Children, are you eager to know about all these concepts? Fine. Before we start with today's topic, let us first find the answers for the activity and assignment given in the first unit. Are you all ready with your answers, children? Good. In the activity 1, you had been asked to identify the physical divisions of India in the given map. Number 1, the northern mountains. 2, the western deserts. 3, the northern plains or Indo-Gangetic plains. 4, the southern plateau. 5, the coastal plains. And 6, islands. Let us check the answers for the assignment now. You had been asked to match the landforms with the pictures. Correct, children? Name of the landforms given here are plateau, valley, island, plain, mountain. Where is the picture of plateau here? Yes, the last one is the picture of plateau. Next, valley. What is a valley? Lowland between the mountains or hills is called valley. Correct? So, the first picture is valley. Island. What is an island? Landmass surrounded by water is called island. So, in the fourth picture, we can see a landmass surrounded by water. It is an island. Plain. Flatlands are called plains. So, the second picture is plain. Now, the last one is mountain. Second name the following. A landmass which is surrounded by water bodies on 3 sides or projected into the sea. Peninsula. Plains which are dry, barren area of land, especially sandy, mostly devoid of vegetation. Desert. Third one, tip of the peninsula. Cape. Fourth one, a long narrow region of lowland between ranges of mountains, hills or other high areas. Valley. Third main, answer the following questions. What are landforms? Give examples. Different features which make up our earth are called landforms. Examples are mountains, plateau, peninsula, hills, plains, desert, island, etc. Question number 2. Name the 5 physical divisions of India. The 5 physical divisions of India are the northern mountains, the northern plains or Indo-Gangetic plains, the western deserts, the southern plateau, the coastal plains and islands. Question number 3. Write the names of any 4 mountain ranges of India. The 4 mountain ranges of India are Himalayas, Aravalli, Sahyadri or Western Ghats, and Vindhya mountains. Children, I hope you all got your answers correct. Let us continue the lesson now. In the last class, we have already discussed about the physical divisions of India. India is broadly divided into 5 major physical divisions. They are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the western deserts, the southern plateau, and the coastal plains and islands. Today, let us discuss in detail about the northern mountains. There is a continuous chain of mountain ranges in the northern part of the country. These mountain ranges are called Himalayan mountains. The Himalayan range is bordered between the Tibetan Plateau in the north and Indo-Gangetic Plain in the south. Himalaya is a Sanskrit word. Hima means snow, Alaya means abode. Together, Himalaya means abode of snow. The northern mountains are the Himalayan ranges. The meaning of Himalaya is abode of snow. Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. The Himalayan ranges extend from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh for about 2,400 kilometers. Children, what is the meaning of Himalaya? The meaning of Himalaya is abode of snow. Himalayas consist of 3 parallel ranges, namely Himadri or Greater Himalayas, Himachal or the Middle Himalayas, and the Shivalik or the Outer Himalayas. Let us repeat once again. The 3 ranges of Himalayas are Himadri, Himachal, and Shivalik. What is the other name of Himadri? Himadri is also called Greater Himalayas. What is the other name of Himachal? Himachal is also called Middle Himalayas. What is the other name for Shivalik? Shivaliks are also called Outer Himalayas. Among these 3, Himadri ranges are the highest mountain ranges. Himadri ranges are covered with snow throughout the year. There are several highest peaks in the Himadri range. Children, what do you mean by peak? You have already learned this in the last class, correct? Yes, the tip of the mountain is called peak. There are several highest peaks in this Himadri range or Greater Himalayas. Let us understand some of the highest peaks now. Peaks of Himadri. The highest peak in the world, Mount Everest, is located in Nepal. The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. This is the highest peak in the world. Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world and it is located in Nepal. What is the height of Mount Everest, children? The height of Mount Everest is 8,848 meters. Second highest peak in the world, K2 or Mount Godwin Austen, is located in India. K2 is the highest peak in India and second highest in the world. What is the height of K2? It is 8,611 meters. Kanchenjunga is the second highest peak in India and it is situated in Sikkim. It is 8,598 meters high. Dhavalagiri with 8,172 meters is the next highest peak. It is situated in Nepal. Let us recall once again. Mount Everest with the height of 8,848 meters is the highest peak in the world. It is located in Nepal. Mount Godwin Austen or K2 is the second highest peak in the world. It is located in India. Kanchenjunga is the second highest peak in India. It is located in Sikkim. Children, which is the highest peak in India? K2 or Mount Godwin Austen is the highest peak in India. Which is the highest peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Himadri ranges are home to several North Indian rivers. Rivers which originate in Himadri ranges are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus and Satluj. I'll repeat. You can also repeat along with me. Rivers which originate in Himadri ranges are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus and Satluj. These Himalayan rivers never dry up in summer. They flow throughout the year. What is the reason for this? Let us understand. Rivers of Himalayan region formed from moving sheets of ice called glaciers. I'll repeat. Rivers of Himalayan region formed from moving sheets of ice called glaciers. What are glaciers? Moving sheets of ice are called glaciers. These glaciers melt during summer and flow towards the plains. So, Himalayan rivers do not dry up during summer. Did you understand the reason? Yes, the glaciers which melt during the summer flow towards the plains. So, the Himalayan rivers do not dry up during summer. Children, observe this map carefully. Let us understand the place of origin and length of rivers which originate in Himadri ranges. The five major rivers which originate in Himadri are Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra and Satluj. River Indus or Sindhu River originates in northern slopes of Mount Kailash near Manasa Sarovar, Tibet. This is the place of origin of river Indus. It flows towards Kashmir Valley and then towards Pakistan and joins Arabian Sea. The length of river Indus is 3,249 kilometers. Satluj is another river which originates in Mount Kailash. The length of river Satluj is 1,600 kilometers. River Satluj flows in Haryana and Punjab and joins river Indus in Pakistan. River Ganga is the most important river which feeds the entire northern plain region. River Ganga originates from Gangotri Glacier and its length is 2,704 kilometers. Yamuna River originates in Yamunotri and flow for about 1,376 kilometers and join River Ganga at Allahabad. Brahmaputra is the longest Himalayan river which flows for about 3,969 kilometers and merges with Ganga in Bangladesh. The place of origin of river Brahmaputra is Tibet. These Himalayan rivers are the source of irrigation, electricity, fishing and many other domestic activities of North India. Himachal ranges or middle Himalayas are not so cold like the Himadri ranges. So, several plants and animals are observed in Himachal ranges. Coniferous forests are found in the Himachal range and these forests shelter many wild animals. Coniferous forests provide wood, timber and many medicinal herbs for forest-based industries. What type of forests are observed in Himachal ranges? coniferous forests are found in the Himachal ranges. Himachal ranges shelter many wild animals such as snow leopard, Himalayan deer, Himalayan bear, Himalayan Mongol, red panda, etc. I'll repeat. Some of the animals sheltered in Himachal ranges are snow leopard, Himalayan deer, Himalayan bear, Himalayan Mongol, and red panda, etc. Himalayan regions are home to several pilgrimage centers. The famous pilgrimage centers in Himalayan region are Badrinath, Kedarnath, Amarnath, etc. Badrinath is situated on the banks of river Alakananda. It is located in Uttarakhand state. Badrinath is dedicated to Badri Narayan or Lord Vishnu. Kedarnath Mandir is a famous pilgrim center dedicated to Lord Shiva. It is located on the bank of river Mandakini in the state of Uttarakhand. Amarnath cave is another Shiva temple. It is located in Jammu and Kashmir. The Amarnath is considered to be one of the holiest shrines in Hinduism. The cave is covered with snow most of the year except for a short period of time in summer. Hundreds and thousands of devotees make an annual pilgrimage to all these pilgrimage centers in Himalayan region. All these temples remain closed during winter. People can visit these temples only during summer. The population is very low in northern mountain region. Do you know why? The land surface is uneven here. So it is very difficult to build houses and roads. People cannot survive in extreme cold climate. So the population is very low in the northern mountain region. There are several valleys and hill stations in Himalayan region. These places attract tourists every year during summer. Some of the tourist attractions are Dehradun, Shillong, Darjeeling, etc. I'll repeat. Some of the tourist attractions in Himalayan region are Dehradun, Shillong, Darjeeling, etc. Why people visit hill stations during summer? Hill stations have scenic beauty. Temperature is cool and pleasant during summer. So, people visit hill stations during summer. Children, hope you are clear about all the concepts regarding northern mountains, whichever we have discussed till now. Now, let us understand about the states included in northern mountain ranges. The states of northern mountain region are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya. I'll repeat. The 10 states included in northern mountain region are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura, and Meghalaya. Children, now let us understand the advantages of Himalayas. Himalayas help us in many ways. Himalayas act as high walls or barriers and prevent cold winds blowing from Central Asia. Not only they protect from cold wind, They will also obstruct or control monsoon winds blowing out of the country and cause heavy rainfall. Himalayas are the source of many North Indian rivers. This we have already discussed. Many rivers such as Ganga, Yamuna, Satluj, etc. flow towards the northern plains and provide water for various purposes. Forests in Himalayan region shelter many wild animals and provide medicinal herbs and other raw materials for forest-based industries such as rubber industry, paper industry, etc. During ancient times, people used to invade or attack the fertile places. Our northern plains were so fertile that many people tried to capture it, but they failed because they were unable to cross these Himalayan ranges. The Himalayan ranges act as gigantic wall and are natural frontiers or borders to control foreign invasions. Many pilgrimage centers and hill stations attract tourists. All these are the various advantages of Himalayas. Let us recall once again. Advantages of Himalayas. Himalayas prevent cold winds blowing from Central Asia. They are the source of many North Indian rivers. They check the monsoon winds and cause heavy rainfall. They are like gigantic wall and are natural frontiers to control foreign invasions. Forests in Himalayan region shelter many wild animals and provide medicinal herbs. Many pilgrimage centers and hill stations attract tourists. Hope you are clear with the advantages of Himalayas. Children, hope you are clear with the concepts whatever we have discussed today. Let us recall once again points to remember. The meaning of Himalaya is abode of snow. Himalayas are the highest mountains in the world. The Himalayan ranges extend from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh for 2,400 kilometers. Mount Everest, with a height of 8,848 meters, is the highest peak in the world. It is located in Nepal. Mount Godwin Austen is the second highest peak in the world. It is located in India. Kanchenjunga is the second highest peak in India. Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus and Satluj are the rivers which originate in the Himadri ranges. Coniferous forests are found in the Himachal ranges. Himalayan bear, Himalayan leopard, red panda, Himalayan deer are the animals found in the forests of Himalayas. Badrinath, Kedarnath and Amarnath are some of the pilgrimage centers in northern mountain region. Dehradun is a very famous valley. Shillong and Darjeeling are famous hill stations in northern mountains. Dear students, here is an activity for you. Locate the following on the outline map of India. Mount Everest, Mount Godwin Austen or K2, River Ganga and River Brahmaputra. There is another activity for you children. Multiple choice questions. 4 options are given for each question. Choose the correct answer. The lowest range of Himalayas is called dash. Options given here are the Greater Himalayas, the Shivalik, the Himadri, the Himachal. Question number 2. Which of the following rivers does not originate in Himalayas? The four options are Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Kaveri. Question number 3. The famous pilgrimage center in northern mountains is dash. The four options are Badrinath, Kedarnath, Tirupati. Option D, both A and B. Let us go through today's assignment. Fill in the blanks. The word Himalaya means dash. Second one, moving sheets of ice which form rivers are called dash. Dash is the highest peak in the world. Number 4, dash forests are found in the Himalayan region. Second main, answer the following questions. Name any two animals found in the Himalayan region. Question number 2, write the names of any two rivers which originate in Himadri range. Question number 3, list any three importance of Himalayas. Question number 4, the population is very low in northern mountains. Why? Question number 5, why people visit hill stations during summer? Hope you are able to answer these questions. We will discuss the answers in the next class. Thank you, children.